Hi everyone, welcome back to Ken Mushroom LLC where I play plant doctor and rescue these neglected plants. Today, I have these pothos plants that have clearly been neglected and are struggling to survive. As you can see, the leaves are dirty. I don't know what that is, looks gross, and are wilting, and the plant looks like it's on its last legs. But don't worry, I'm going to give them a new lease on life. The first step to rescuing these plants was to give them a good watering. I made sure to water them thoroughly, making sure the soil was moist all the way through. I also placed them in a climate-controlled grow tent, which will help create the ideal environment for these plants to recover. In the tent, I have grow lights to provide them with the right amount of light and a crock pot as a humidifier to keep the air moist. This will help them to recover from the neglect and start growing strong and healthy. Wow, this is how the plants are looking like after, I want to say, 4 to 6 hours after being watered, and the leaves are already perking up, as you can see. I mean, that's amazing. That's just after the watering, and they look much better. And this is why pothos are my absolute favorite houseplant to have. They're so resilient, and probably why they're called the devil's ivy, because they are hard to kill. I mean, you guys remember how they looked like before, and this is now after being watered. They looked like they were dead, and now they looking so much better. Yay! The next step was to cut off the damaged stems and diseased leaves. I used a pair of clean, sharp scissors to make clean cuts, being careful not to damage any healthy parts of this plant. This may seem like a drastic step, but it's important to remove any dead or dying parts of the plant so that it can focus its energy on growing new, healthy leaves. I was able to propagate some of the cuttings that I took from the plant. Propagating cuttings is a great way to multiply your plants and give them a fresh start. Finally, I wiped out the leaves to remove any dust and debris that had accumulated on them. I used a damp cloth to gently wipe each leaf, being careful not to damage them. This will help the plant breathe better and will help prevent any pests from taking up residence on the leaves. And there you have it. After a little bit of TLC and some plant doctor magic, these pothos plants are looking healthy and brand new. Remember, even if your plants have been neglected, it's never too late to give them a fresh start and watch them thrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video on rescuing neglected pothos plants. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant related content. See you next time!